me start with something painfully relatable. It's late. You're exhausted. You tell yourself, I'll relax after this. And instead of sitting down, you start cleaning. You straighten a pillow. You wipe a counter that's already clean. You reorganize a drawer that absolutely didn't need reorganizing, and somehow you feel better, calmer, clearer, more in control. Meanwhile, someone else walks into the same messy room and feels instantly overwhelmed, almost anxious, like the mess is judging them. Same space, completely different reaction. If you've ever wondered why organizing soothes you instead of draining you, that's what we're breaking down today. My name is Mark, and I spend way too much time thinking about human psychology and behavior. Here's the thing most people get wrong. They think people who love organizing are just disciplined, or controlling, or obsessive. Look, organizing isn't about neatness. It's about control. When life feels uncertain, deadlines, emotional pressure, unresolved problems, your brain enters a low-level threat state. Clutter becomes one of those signals. Every unfinished pile quietly says, you're behind. Every small task you finish releases dopamine. Decluttering is often about letting go. Peace isn't something you find. It's something you create. One small choice. If this resonated, drop a comment and tell me what organizing does for you. And subscribe if you want psychology explained clearly, honestly, and without the noise.